Hi, I'm David Mitchell, founder and CEO of TRADEway. Let's talk about some things that could trip you up out there in the stock market world. First of all, you have people telling you all these things you need to run out and do, and they even have free courses out there on how to do it. For example, what about day trading? Well, I've done this 40 years and I'll promise you're not going to win over time at day trading. And the reason is this: you'll be trading against the best traders in the world, and that's the floor traders. You can't beat them over time. That doesn't mean you can't do short-term trades, but just not an out-and-out day trade. Secondly, what about penny stocks? Listen, the worst money I ever lost when I was in my 20s was I let a friend trade some of my money in penny stocks, and within a week it was gone because the business went out of business because it wasn't real. It was a shell, and all the news about it was fake. So they're not regulated by the SEC like companies are that we trade on the real stock market. So stay away from penny stocks. They can kill you. And then what about things like trading ETFs? Or what about trading blue chip stocks? Or what about trading Forex? Well, listen, those things can be harmful. For one thing, blue chip stocks are not the right kind of stocks to be trading. You need to be trading growth stocks. At TRADEway, we can teach you what they are and give you a list of about 100 of the best growth stocks in the world that you can select from. And why did I mention Forex? Well, because we think you need to have 3 legs on the trading table. You need to have fundamentals, technicals, and market tone. And with Forex, you don't have but one leg on the table. So the probability math is not on your side, which means over time, you're going to break even at best. And what about taking advice from your stockbroker or your financial advisor? Well, my experience with tens of thousands of clients we have, the stories that they've told me, and when I was a young man, I had the same experience. When you let someone else control your money, you never know what they're going to do with it. You know what they usually do? They usually leave it in all the way to the bottom of a bear market crash, and you lose 20, 30, 50% of everything you have in the world. It's gone. And they say, well, it'll come back. Don't worry about it. Really? Well, sometimes it can take 13 years or more to come back like it did in the year 2000. So you can't listen to that kind of advice. So you need a great education, and that's what TRADEway is all about. And so we're going to give you that great education, and we have all kinds of online options. We have live virtual events going on right now all the time. We've got webinars, live webinars. We've got Step 1 Start Your Journey online. We've got the Trade in 30 Days Challenge online. So many things you can get involved with. So don't fall for the tricks. Go out to TRADEway.com and get a great education.